Welcome to this video showing the process for the switch base replacement of the Eaton 3-pole 30 and 60 amp fusible shunt trip safety switch, applicable to the catalog number prefixes shown below. For our Canadian customers, this video corresponds to work instructions named Shunt Trip 30 amp 60 amp, same catalog numbers as USA. It's important to note that all work should be performed by a licensed electrician in accordance with NFPA 70E. Turn off and lock out all power supplying this switch before installing base kit. Turn switch to off position. Verify there is no voltage present at the line and load terminals using a properly rated voltage sensing device. Remove fuses. Remove the red arc shield using a 1/4 inch driver. The new base will have its own arc shield. For fusible switches, remove the middle load side fuse clip connector screw with a 1/4 inch driver. Keep the screw for reinstallation. Remove the insulator screw with a 1/4 inch driver and remove insulator if present. Keep parts for reinstallation. On fusible switches, it is helpful to remove 2 screws with 5/16 driver from the lower fuse base and lower it out of the way. Keep screws for reinstallation. Mark the line side lugs before removing so they can be reinstalled back in their original phase locations. Remove screws from line side lugs using 5/16 driver. Move wires to the side for base removal. Keep screws for reinstallation on new base. Remove switch base with 5/16 driver. 3 screws, 2 on bottom, 1 on top. Keep screws for reinstallation on new base. Slide the base to the left to disengage shaft from mechanism. Remove insulator. Keep insulator if present for reinstallation on new base. Verify there is no foreign material left in the mechanism shaft coupling. This could cause misalignment and premature failure of the new base. Remove 3 fuse clips with 5/16 driver and keep for reinstallation. Remove 3 fuse puller straps with 1/4 inch driver and keep for reinstallation. Remove the universal base and hardware from box, verifying the following contents: 1 universal base, 3 lug stops, and 3 lug stop screws. The lug stops and lug stop screws are not needed for fusible devices. To ensure there's been no misalignment during shipping, it's a good practice to actuate the blades over the stationary contacts to ensure that they move properly. This can be done easily with a crescent or adjustable wrench as seen here. Notice that the blades open and close onto the stationary contacts as intended. Reinstall 3 fuse puller straps from original base with 1/4 inch driver on new base assembly. Torque to 15 to 25 inch-pounds. Reinstall 3 fuse clips from original base with 5/16 driver on new base assembly. Make sure retainer tang is up as shown in picture. Torque to 20 to 30 inch-pounds. Rotate switch base shaft counterclockwise to put switch blades in open, off position. Place insulator on mechanism. To ensure optimal performance, install the base with the arc shield attached. Align base mounting holes and install 3 screws with 5/16 driver, 1 on top, 2 on bottom. Torque to 20 to 25 inch-pounds. Align fuse base and install 2 mounting screws with 5/16 driver. Torque to 20 to 25 inch-pounds. For fusible switches, reinstall insulator and retainer screw with 1/4 inch driver. The right side of the insulator wraps around the switch base wall as shown. Torque to 20 to 30 inch-pounds. For fusible switches, position load side fuse clip connector onto the locator tabs and fasten with screw using 1/4 inch driver. Torque to 20 to 30 inch-pounds. Remove arc shield mounting screw with 1/4 inch driver. Remove arc shield. Keep screw and arc shield for reinstallation. Reattach line and load side lugs using 5/16 driver. Torque to 20 to 30 inch-pounds. Reattach the arc shield. Torque to 20 to 30 inch-pounds. Install line shield. Torque to 20 to 30 inch-pounds. Install fuses. Verify all parts are in place and screws torqued to specification. Hold in mechanism defeat lever and actuate switch 3 to 4 times, verifying switch blades are opening and closing properly. Prior to energization, remove any loose materials or tools from the switch enclosure. Close cover before turning power on ahead of switch.